December festive holiday experience. Fair Play Entertainment Center. Benjini Kuvi. Yo, what are you inga? Lambalati 1 December. Ujena Demtuda. 2 December. Inoso. 8 December. Ramsey. Na Misofil. 9 December. Sam D. 15 December. Oskambo. Holiday 16 December. Rashakil. Na Guspa Banana. 22 December. DJ Stoki. 23 December. JR Player. Na Asati. 24 December. Black Motion. 29 December. Kamumpela. 30 December. Team and Express. 31 December. The last test. Na Rofi wa Manyaka. Rofi Wahangwa. Ramafana Flash Liwazo Diferera. Kama Buketa Fura. 081 875 5840. Rivana Munaushika Sonaha.
You're the resonating. I want to charge it in the Okay, hi guys. I had to make sure. Hi guys, welcome to the Black Couch Diaries. I was about to say something, man.
You're always about to say something.
Yeah. Actually, guys, there's water in our vicinity.
No, practice.
No,
I love water. So, because I'm just like, why as a kunwiwa?
You know, rip.
Oh, God. It's just not one.
You know, I'm dead vet. Don't know, I'm going to bomb me.
I don't know fast. Okay. Oh, deeper.
When go mad?
No, I'm mad. Una mad desa deep. Sa angi una zona deep.
Yeah.
In it. No. In inchisa jumwebo. You
don't go that vet. It's in land chikori. I'm gonna go for.
Somebody irani na disa day camera need that vet. Come down mara. Crop top on dita sound go this share.
Hey. Itani make me water.
Make me lose my breath. Make me water. Anyways,
guys, here's me now. Okay, call you up for Tom. They got up for kum.
At the competition, you won't get to your pets.
No, imantament dish you can California. Where I happened to one and good as okay.
Don't know rang or door on a maddy. Madian Mungo Raro. Tobona, you couldn't barrel scar.
Competition, Iman, Hemuna. 3.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. Very cool.
The winner. No winner. I don't say madi. As you know.
Don't run I can't.
Yo, Mara, this was yummy. I
was deeper. I doing I.
Bathroom with dance the thing. I love the packaging though. Mara, mini or chip cut.
No, never use
I don't understand the guy with him.
No, here's the thing, then I'll go example. If there's this thing, the expectory, so it opposite na no app.
Yeah.
Survivors correct.
When about this share, so do them what the man to the nukas about the poor.
Yo. Hey. Anyway, guys, we're proudly sponsored by Water Bay. I Oh, sorry.
We were so ready with our song with deeper. The reason why I hope Nedi on the show.
Yeah.
Honest. Nandi ready no ambangoshem. I go deep.
Then also nane noma nomro mara just that nela pati okay ndiko nongori nyago taste mara zino ndo wana ko fridge inuria.
This is nice.
Madeko deeper.
I could do the 24 year and do need.
Yeah. And of ya chimra tough.
Oh, achimra tough. Ndibu guy.
Thanks.
And what was the price?
Thanks, baby girl.
Iso, hey, I'm doing baby birthday.
Aye, how can be work?
Okay.
Nyaga imbiro. Yeah. Oh, washona. Imbiro ngampo L.
Oh yeah.
There's levels to these things.
Also, young ako ito dangor o imbiro ngampo L. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Ang price zamadi.
Rozo price. No. I want a price. When we do the for now.
Water Bay. I'm sure they can find them on social
media. On Instagram.
Right?
Yeah, it's Water Bay on Instagram. And what else? Yeah, nothing, man. That's just a new partnership we have as it stands. So, yeah.
How's your Dora, guys?
Hey! To make you Dara.
Fix your mic. You want to come fix it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so guys, Mpo is gonna come fix what first mic? Mpo. Ugo the camera yanga guys. Oh.
Oh my god.
No, nda kombo iritsi nani. Hey. Nyoto ruiwa pala. Nani kombo fix it wow. So
it's very stiff.
Oh, yeah, the barrier of Zofi. Why do Venda men act like Cape Town's weather?
Oh yeah.
So called this, I don't know. What's the mad?
Cape Town, you're confused.
I just went to Cape Town at the
You've never been to Cape Town?
No.
Why?
Because it's not yet.
Dude. Nyombo zora ntula chedi unoshika Cape Town nini?
Na know to Dubai don't.
Exactly. So don't blame it on money. You just don't want to go.
Not that.
Okay, come to Cape Town next year.
Officer sends another poster. Okay, it's fine. We'll talk about. Guys, remember we're still sponsored by Fair Play Entertainment Center. The best of the best. What's the penny?
Experience the excitement.
So let me just read this whole poster today. What does it say? So this is a December festive holiday experience. Actually, that's what I was reporting. It's fine because now I just go there and I check a date, logo, shipping, and the artists that are going to pay for me. So from the 1st up until the 31st, but then now there's 2 eggs added. Where do I? GR player na Asati.
Yes. Yo guys, GR player is good.
Hey, it brings us to that thing in Anduka Yambori. Nani chimunyadza na mini.
Marina Asati blind.
All andi ngwaola.
Asati is very good.
Kazi love song.
And then GR player is good kapiano.
Hey, because JR player, he tried joining and that's love song na Asati na mini. I don't think he was actually there.
Yeah.
That's maybe that's some daddy.
Maybe we'll see Lania where now he found his lane.
Ojana Kalinia wemfetu. JR ko romosh.
Na
racha for some reason. Yo.
Stop playing, guys.
Tangamure. Tifareisha puniti ambisa be. Never nimujie, never take it away. Anyway, ni murawa be. Ewa kuchina bomb.
Nyadoponga ndimi be, yanokambiwa fuzo.
Usinga JR as in never. So yeah, guys, they're still sponsoring us, and then Aria, guys, one day, one of these good days, nidombo na bit.
Yeah, nidorinchis gonna wanaria nero ata. Even backdrop.
You wanna feel the Black Couch.
The Black Couch.
Nah, Fair Play Entertainment. So guys, do come in and have the December festive experience. I mean. Abe abati bavulanga 2 inu na chimwa china re abavali.
Bavulanga 2.
Bavulanga 2 PM.
Zvino nchibori ndona chimwa china re abavali. What are you saying?
Why vakuvula usingovala? Right? It's a valid question. Nivulisa ningovala. Hey, can't pinduliwe.
Like dude, what are you saying? Richard avali rizikuhamba kuri club boy vali kwamba zoma 4-5. That's what we mean, Richard avali. Because we told you valanga 2.
Which is so you should tell us.
No, but those that No, would get it.
How many people?
Those that
how many people go to the clubs here? You don't know. So
the Black Squad in the groovist.
Me anga dingo Black Squad cool out the nazori.
No.
But there was already spotless of varach pika dungo vapiranga chipanga chote. Ndibona nombuzori. Vachiko vakiri again. Va amazori mabalano tomoveo. Ndizvavo karo hijena. Nende vandisiyo. Todozori vambuzori vachika mshimoni vopera kufurwa mabaloni. Vachiko vakiri again vobona koveo.
But anyways, na ini already ndorekaini na muthu ndichiro so ara ndori fair play vali apforo zvakuma aivali rune anga yana anga severe machoni awanoka diridza DJ dzamulova then I don't know.
Not dzamulova.
Mara, you get it. When I say aivali, you guys must understand.
No, do you know what I actually thought you meant? Or ngori fair play yoradi so. Udo kolidza the resident DJ ngazo zvipinga zva all zva normal and then maybe from 6 up until 6 to 6 madekwana 6 to 6 haba kulidza DJ zabukuma and then zichipedza
una DJ yabukuma inanga viwanga 6
ngaga ni budise bangu dive wantoni
depending on where
Royal Gardens.
Exactly, you want to compare Royal and a normal club that runs every day. Anyways, guys, already be onodori auvali nafunga auvali zvabukuma uva wovhura throughout it. Then I don't know, you guys need therapy because what do you mean?
As a therapy, I need to kudo amba. You need a therapy. You need a speech therapy. Dino kunyaga speech therapy.
Ndichira auvali ndikombori auvali ngatu.
Anetri komba isai. Ini ngodipisa nyawo.
I feel fine.
Nekanezi kwambisa zungewo.
Really?
Some listen. Mara listen.
Ndishanu femina ntha.
Oh, I bet you had the fans on the fame. Yeah, but then if it's a from Dombu, because in the first like Zigutela Manzaranza.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the level. Then it's our van going on 6 to 6 dog for my DJ, Zobuko, I mean, and then I could that the resident can go good, Aveva, Namasea, we need cola, you see? Like, yeah, so it makes sense. Guys, 2 p.m. up until 4 a.m.
Kana 5 I don't zito avakuru business kagai last time don't yenda avaranga 3 don't yenda avaranga 4 so I don't know.
Yeah,
kada kutseni mune ari ngoda chipinga cha kuma chine chomwaliwa
nechi achiamba apedzi
ndo muzuni kuchi
ari mufonere mufuna rumwamba mufuna rumwamba
namuzoni kuchito the drop
ari ngamuzi
nazo muzi damba zvitums
amba sunde dokata
mara zvinodinga bari ndo ambare into
no man. Hello.
Kingsley Coleman, the Black Couch.
Look at me.
Kingsley Coleman.
Who varanga chipinga the fair play?
Fair play varanga chipinga the rain. Fair play varanga chipinga the rain. Yago retar chishuta ri dibe rikwambori mini.
Man, ningo shoot up obewe.
Aratushoma.
Hey, vananga. Man, man, ntembise no don't video call.
Welcome video call. Hey.
Subizeni kamera again. Subizeni kamera again.
Gazi ma kamera.
You see, okay.
Yeah, ni man. Yeah, ni subek.
That's ma ke kamera.
Hi man, ambani uri uvaranga chipinga ndiri kuyengo mova.
Good. Ayi uvaranga true.
Ngatu AM.
Ha. Uvaranga true.
Oh, zamboro 2 to 2.
2 to 2.
Okay, arari peso shoota rini afu.
Shoota ni class doesn't go shoota. Kingsley Coleman. Ni
Shapo.
The Kingsley.
Atiko dita zito. Dadi atiko dita na Ed. Nanganika Ed. No yesu sote shapo.
Ndinambe ndiambe zvazvena ngombudzani zatu.
Ai.
Yeah, so guys, you know the pain now. Uvaranga too. So yeah, how are you? I'm going to Namtakala.
Right. That's all I can say. A lot has happened, ne? Wednesday.
What do you mean? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, marotanga nga this day.
Pezi. Namlo. Oh yeah, rare magushesheni guys.
What diva man.
That is a beautiful experience. That's what we and I at Mara. I know. I would do it again. I'm still tired, Maria. At the bone.
Don't need to go on Sunday.
I have a lot to do, but at the bone. But I really want to go.
There's nothing to see at Koya. Vera roto na wewe. ndevano ri kuhumela machelo mara vha ḓo
vona ronoya.
Yeah, so and then I'm going to go shoot a guy. Guys, we coming at you live. I'm just trying to show as promo page.
Iso.
Hey. We're coming at you live from the Blueprint Studios. Where is the thing? Into to find it with the Wangato.
Na phone number to the credit.
It's phone number why 42 Mele Street, Bramfontein, Sinina Liberty. Yeah, that's all I know at least. And then
that's
if you wanna make use of these studios or anything, why does record your music? And I mean, what MT va dava on ne panes go dana book a slot or in one MT ko the gen and Fifi Cooper, whoever seen also.
When go down but when in the gas to the gen.
Who would you wanna see?
I wouldn't wanna see them.
Mara, who do you wanna see?
I don't know. Nice to see, obviously, unless they find Gorudana Chawe, you know, but I would love.
Do you think MT Anna Chawe? Maybe for the feature.
Have you seen him now?
They hit me with the avocado.
He looks like a para, bro. Yo, he looks like a Albert boy.
Nah, man, it's good. So if you want to make use of the studios, you can contact them on 082-936-6317. As number of Janta. 082-936-6317. Nah.
Any other 962. No, 962. Never learned to move.
Yeah, I don't know.
I used to. Yeah.
962. Yeah, Venda. The extension of Venda Matimo. So yeah, Nankadambore, what did you do this weekend? This week. Besides
Thursday, Friday.
Guys, mpuango ya maguzisheni obo nkwatela.
Orikotua naye. Okay, nikotua naye this Thursday.
Inankoya.
Tandonet.
Guy.
So, Thursday, Friday, I spent the whole day with my mom. Saturday. Saturday we are camping. Now we are Sunday. So Monday, Davandiko, because I wanted to day in the and what did I do yesterday? I don't remember. Then there's today.
Okay, and then into we had la chipango. Then get you go.
Not go to Vojena. Then go to Ratangana, right?
Is it?
Yes, Ratangana. Then go to Vojena. Yo, guys, it was crazy. I loved it. I thought it was beautiful.
Because it didn't damage anything.
No, there's no damage. And I choose you wanna
later.
Because social media, I wasn't thinking it would go that far, you know.
And I don't want damage until it
okay.
Figure, it drained.
It was.
Because was there any damage? No.
Marakari now una go to buy now.
When I get go post them, you will wrong and ngele shit in la load and the shelter alone.
No, like it was crazy, but it was beautiful though.
Yeah.
Blind.
Sure. And then no na tuko ita okay to go for that the snowman nga heli.
But how?
Exactly. So what for that jail man?
Jail. Like how?
Yeah, man, like
opportunity.
Nyaza abantu bunja abantu baphiwe. They always know chichiwa. Baba Venda basichivone. So now they want to make up for it. Because I actually thought of it. I actually thought of it. Ndito nina ndio pata. Mara I'm like ila sundi trombo.
That's what I'm thinking.
Mara bango zuita zaita.
Anyways.
Mara vem dina pama now. Bango mango no tombo biva zino.
No, I shouldn't feel biva.
Amor chifrano mauzaima.
Ndiko zipa na pombo biva.
Like I Russia, so like white.
No, but it was beautiful. Honestly.
For real, yeah. Trust me. You know, I wanted to ask you something too.
Your choice.
Why? No, man. It's funny what it is to so-called like out of nowhere. Maybe you scroll through TikTok. I told that's how I make most of the preps. So I go through and then I come about the red flag, and and then I was actually wondering if if you have actually had red flags nini ngato raise no hey
it's a no
it's a no enda to yibona article yap what are a red flag
ndo namba yabiyada right ndo zuyamba mrawange uri for me a guy has to be clean so if you're not clean enough then I can't
no ambenisha
also tifuni munna onovula sekele onojiva roba onovulwa sekele na ndo mwana kuita tovetsa bukati
mara nini vulera vanna va to sekele
ati bavuleli.
No, like not to ringo jana mkati nao. Like ngoja wantu wako china. Nari
ndivani kukuza pillar of strength za vamwe. Yanga iso ngotakuwa. My pillar was just yeah. So what else? Mara yazo dizono ro dawo nga nthati, but I think red flag. Also tifuni munhu asina backbone. Tifuni munhu wa follower. Like muno no tskoba kuzotevela vamwe nanga mrao. And I'm not saying
ran follow vathu.
Ari kwamba hezvo zvofollowa ndikwamba
nyavabona
yes and eti una vamwe vane avazviledi ngori vakurumiwa no muthu one utochange pa muthu musva achiva in the presence yavathu vari na tshelede,
in the presence of money,
yeah, and that is and now you're just like and habe azvikombori ini ndiyo vanayo tshelede namusi nisina mara even nina aura yanu when you step into a room be tanga you can't just ubva ni boto munzu koba nodzana bangomba nani pani koba khuza abone china yabo chi blind bad nonzi koba imwe nimusunga slay queen zvino like you're a baddie because like
so,
why
yeah rokoma ngezo chi would you say that guy rokoma ngela dwaka kholo or osendera 5000 mini nichiri ndikalo owa watu todengo zvibona naye uwela ka watu vane our follower
ndiyativa mapungwa vatu roshembrike
ndakamba zanga NFI atini ngobelo mbranzi ndikamba dzini
richikomba nga NFI richiri osendedwa chelede nikori do I think he's that type yeah I think so because udzura kuzongotevera mrawa those Instagram guys he's basically always with whoever is trending at that time so yeah obvious I know those are he's like that I don't know why you're asking me I know was born so
hey
that is a red flag. What's a red flag for you Kamuzan?
Mzana zatambi I think that would be the first one.
And then like like how do you go to bed? Not okay, it's go far as like and thotoni wewe.
Yeah, that was fine already. Ndichinimbusa mutso so ndibandisina pindo nne. I'm like why akwebuisa kane nenda kwebusa ene.
Marake no that pindo.
Cause you go that no ndemo diumbura zvo ndichikoni ini ngopindura rene.
No yana fana mzana zatambe. Nazibona no wakangomuri apa utonga ufuni mimandi.
Na otobori unamadzana tidhivizori ndisenti yawena kana mimi namwe mdzana ndajana nethando ana imwe senti
class yebe kana yanga
yano
my class like class yanga
not really class yano like chadhiva oita mimi la mdzana na aramba
yes diva ngona sabona ziyamba ngona no
tiya kambazina like ale ngosente like never noma ndo utanga watamba chi marongo tamba ngavi utamba abva mara ngavisibe zva zvinosara zvikunuka futhi na mtu utamba ngantu nga domestos
you know mntu
for example unifezori in the center
ila sento nga pa injele
yeah keso like I know you showered but the no shower nga mini like mtu utamba isibe cha gulu hizo
ngombe kwa dashboard
like
no I get it unoti barina sent inini ngasiphezo okay
at least watamba urutamba susi zvone havana vasatambi literally mara vote ngasi vadate
mara nizvikisani ka point yotamba ngasusi zvone cuz visibe ndizvisibe
but vasiko recommend visibe ka TikTok ka
awuzathi wana TikTok ila zvona
this one recommended by dentist
Mara Dito can't do that to you. Lifebuoy can't do that to you. Protex can't do that to you. Dove can't do that to you. Not even Nishimsa Dove. Not even.
That's why your skin is like this.
No. Oh yeah. Mara ne chila cha green. Cha not even dambe chila cha sunlight. Nacho achininga ninukisi zumwe. So mtu wanokurotamba ngami. Ochi wanoga. Azotambura. Nani cha chimpa. Utobori it makes my skin dry. I used to love using it.
Mixana Dove.
Ubachenda vaka Dove.
Skin routine channel.
No. Ubachenda vaka Dove for the past.
Skin routine.
Channel.
This sunlight na Dove.
Ntomanga chibe.
Sunlight light and then light a Dove yaone. Asongoto asichopumisa kachitabula.
Oh ngazanda and skin achitu tanzonga suzarafu ndito kubeni ndamba zvavudi. Zvino vatu toto amba sashukuto and it's just like
shukuto ndi
chila chitu cha sauti
limwe ditu so
liamera kamuri ti
hashu na fit ya soft yani I'm like no man as shukuto nermini
hashu wabuna muri wasanga mni ubva kamni buchkuto ngamra wod unezla
herkomera zone Venda ulandombero zorowelawo rawelwa zone
na shudo bana muri live
wanombero erdo dar hitamilo
and we should shoot there one day
exactly so yeah akamba me I don't know red flags So,
Ori
Mtasatambi. What else would it be?
Like, give me something about your character, maybe like a character trait, not like Uri. Sajen nina mandukori ice boy. Ice boy mentality.
Muzana was everywhere, man. I feel like no one does jamba na poison.
Ne? Like how?
Everywhere.
Like how?
Like have friends and all that. See? Dina if case ngona mkono rali so. No, if I mkono rali so. If she's a friend, abakweta portion and it's fine. Hadamu mtana rimdivi already onotoma.
So nikoni muzana rina portion, not muzana was everywhere.
No, that's been everywhere, man. Like just okay, ngosuka pupa panda watu baswa. Beno this abayeni. Yeah, mtu pupa.
So mtu or relax out.
Mtu not relax.
Mtu class, not or relax. Mtu class.
Kaba tu abadivi.
Read the room. That's what you say.
Yeah, I need watch coin. Read the room. Yeah, so mtu no
so mtu class ndi class ezo jamburi. Ngori ndiyotoma na because mona una wapapa ana bathu bawe, right? Okay, no, I get it. Okay, yeah, Jamundi, you're a red flag. Mpo, what's your red flag? You don't have any.
Mtaza big mashonja. So,
Ndor kwaterisa. Vadzima zvote zvistorira vari kuhamba vari kushuta wana wazvisa kupfara fetu.
Tole vatozoita ti.
So, vachipedza vabva vatowase ripakisa noripakisa. Vasingamba na mutu vasitata negoro.
Vasingabva group. I love the oh, actually. Oh, hey, na the corona. But you know what?
Ini robe mandongo robe.
Orento. Now is au kumura rakora kumuze ya pa studi. Ori neri toxic. Na neri toxic mamu na mimi. Rakora re. Haya go pa side yang. Oyanga neri pa en.
But you're the one that's like that.
Ati me.
You don't listen.
Pachi ambati. Hape zimamuna. Ni anetongo touch and then yaluza concentration. So like right now ndipange input to
Mara, okay. Because funny rimbaji amba bed. Nendi amba zono pay. Ini minizoni. Ini you're always ready to fight.
Ini ni busy.
Azon.
Ha ina ntonza yaguza tisi. You grew up.
No, ini
you grew up at house got tender nine.
No,
ini ndi apula ili ngosmo momva. Yes.
Artio ha. Is always ready to strike. I said one thing, ne?
Not me.
I said you don't mean. I'm like, childhood trauma, okay? It's giving childhood trauma. Because why are you mad?
Yeah, don't know something.
You're always ready to strike, dude. You don't try.
Imani, I really Imani, that's what I really intro. Return to Mamma.
When? Today? Now what do you phone and say?
Go phone as in. Maraya are the cat, but. Hi and welcome to Magnified Advertisement. Today we bring you Small Enterprise Compliance Agency. This is a service company found at 903 Block F, Kekana Gardens, Hammanskraal 0400. The company offers various services such as business startup, company maintenance, and company compliance training. Business startup is for individuals who desire to start new businesses, and we help them register the company, apply for BEE certificates, as well as tax numbers. For individual enterprises that are established already, we assist with company maintenance such as name change, address change, amendment of directors' details, and filing for annual returns. Small Enterprise Compliance Agency offers company compliance training to SMMEs and cooperatives as defined in the South African Company Compliance Act No. 71 of 2008. Business support services include company profile development, logo design, business plan writing, website design, poster design, accounting and bookkeeping services, HR consulting, marketing and advertising services, website management, as well as social media management. If you'd like to be in contact with us or inquire about anything, do drop us a WhatsApp or a phone call on 081 4421 917, or you can email us on info@seekercompliance.co.za, or you can visit our website, which is provided below. Okay. All right, sharp. Thanks then.
Thanks. I already told me then. All right, thank you, ne?
Sure.
Sharp.
We're back, everybody.
Hi guys, welcome to the Black Couch. We are proudly sponsored by Acoustic and Poetry. Guys, welcome to another episode of the Black Couch. And this time around, we are getting sponsored by, because Rani was about, what was it? Water Bay
and
Fair Play Entertainment Center. And we just have the third one now. Just like that, over the call, we're about to announce a collaboration, kind of. I wouldn't say sponsorship, but a collaboration. So we're going to collaborate with Acoustic and Poetry.
Yeah.
So, yeah!
We just had to finalize that first, but yeah.
Yeah, so I know you're gonna be watching this, and we told you we wanna start shooting. So we're like, meet shoot, let's cut
and make sure we get this.
Yeah, that's how we keep it real, guys.
Yeah,
Acoustic and Poetry.
Acoustics and Poetry, the private school event, guys. The event is the one about easy.
Guys, money makes everything go round.
Abala uzi Jordan nazi maros bona.
Zakuma na tap Joanna Zambiri na vana majina ili Mary.
Yes, like a School of Tomorrow.
Vana tikhala vatonga dongotonga botini khala ndi havo ni ativa. Zakuma kechi itonga vana vathando secondary Caltex.
Oh yeah. Hey, you can't tell us anything.
So now Baba
the bridge yote.
So yeah guys, they have an event in 21 of December, not this.
It's a Thursday.
Yeah, it's always on a Thursday, right?
Yeah, it's always on a Thursday.
I feel like it's a good thing that they did it on a Thursday, not Friday, because they know Friday in their groove.
Hey, so Yoni, it's more of like a relaxed thing. Do you have a lineup? Una lineup?
I don't remember. We're gonna get it soon.
Or we can just add the poster after.
Yeah, so there's gonna be a poster here if they send it to us like in time, and then yeah guys, we're good to go now. Thank you to the collaboration that we just had with VCC. They actually called Venda Creative Cattle.
Oh yes, Venda.
So it's sort of like the mother thing, and then it has branches, which A and P is a branch also of.
Okay.
So yeah,
that's nice.
We're gonna be there, guys. We're gonna be shooting. Just make sure you are there.
We're gonna have a vlog.
So
now when camera nizoko sendela ne.
Now na for camera gore eh.
It's time.
Yeah, so
but yeah, we're gonna
also
be there.
Kudunisa the ticket. Wait up zvinji. Rana ba zvinji ti.
Yeah.
Jambo ndikari.
Mara ticket ringadzi winisisani.
I'm gonna find a way. Mpo. Nkona.
It has to do with subscribe. It must
subscription, all those
something.
Things. Now when I'm gonna zero win is one.
Now when I'm a zero win is one. Comes and then
the. Join us.
You know. Stole chamazaza.
Bepo join my grassi.
Wafunzi. But you go comment.
What a guy. Chivizo chote.
We are zaza.
Yeah.
Lawyer Crusade.
Okay, so yeah guys, speaking of sponsors and collaborations, if you guys want to sponsor us, collaborate with us, do contact us. Kanomboro zachu 03549711 kana zezo page now on.
Or send a DM ka Black Couch.
Black Couch. DM is songo daka badao ba avoid as DM. Angos file ngarko bada anonymous messages happen or atipindu DM. They are check and they are judging also. Mara Black Couch ishto jena. I'm opening it right away. So yeah, come let's collaborate, let's work. Push Venda le panda. Where were we?
Rara napeta the red flag.
You want kuamba zwinga futhi ngore
ne. Many to say.
Maybe you team.
It is so.
But then
it is so ne to vikata. Dance.
What does that mean?
Dance so kalito. Was the new Zoom banita mimu watu.
What I mean?
Not you do. Yeah.
Baby what's on chega?
Ukude mfudo zvinzanzira bala.
Ndio ni reflect game hapa rwe.
Yo zacheka langa la mkala, langa la madao.
Ngibani?
Yo dzima.
Ndiwela ndinaye hapa ka phone. I feel like I knew the day.
Yo zuko dzima nje ngonga battery.
Ndoita password decide.
Oh, flip.
And then near there una out of sobao. Jini ndi vodka if you shoni. Ufikorwa.
Iba ishto mukumbi.
I don't know. You know ile ndiya machanganela ya chikwembu mteke.
Hey guys, zono guys.
No, today mara. No, ufi.
You need opposite.
I don't think so. Mari on online because no general check but only it looks like make jinya na mara is colorful and all that. It's giving.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I don't know anything about that.
Yeah, so ufi go robot because these are the guys what the room nyangati. What don't medis or Venda namu paid. Hey. Got me. What's happening? Why is this guy so drunk? I was Steve. I don't know about showing you. Anyway, I'm like, abashoni.
Ningofunga uri joker.
Ndikuthi ndimini abashoni awona.
Ito fare badi.
I don't know. To price na
I'll check it out. But tikudibona ndo fare alone for abashoni.
And then zvapira ndazviignora later in the day kana the following day ngamadekwana this other guy a poster are hey roommate not roommate muthu andadzura naye apo obuya okambiwa then azorume guy ono abashoni dangerous
is that jambori easily accessible jambori yoni local bad
ofi hone opposite in Bubbles which is Osis apa Brown
to jabe wish ne
so hey
right.
Okay, so guys, ungakade vana loshedini so dotumara ima darona chipinga cho pecha zvimwe zvakanta wait
dotumara ima idian
the ones who tell me which was it I was about to check loshedini adiba what if it doesn't hit?
Let's just continue. If it hits, it hits.
This is the part where we need God.
Yeah, God pull through for us.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask you last week also, how do you feel about Beggars? But what and
but no, but like staratani. Ngange mitondona bangwethi banindizwa every day like bazwane baladwa ngalingwe so ndoba madubo thoma and then riche I was like no man. I don't know, but for me it doesn't make sense. Like I don't know, like ndimke grunyana atkore kaba yoshuma maybe I had problem ya mirenje na mini but hey somehow it doesn't end
actually
up for you to be a beggar.
I'm thinking of Avala cause narina pela vete one to mba one jeno wabudzira nazvivana so now you feel pity for the kid not your to sand and I for you feel to what the batiti wanga baki.
Yeah, it's very possible. Baba could read a cause Avala mge guru bangi batzura panda midran hyper every day of her life. So it doesn't add up, does it? Like una beggar which you all there. You know, like that's what you do for a living. You just get up na dana umbeda. Cause I mean, even if that's a chimbiri, banga renga scoring gila chete ba boila ba renga scoring. You know, if she was, if lungo banda koringa kopira na wana wako renga nduti, I'd be like, okay. But every day she's trying to get bread. It doesn't make sense. And awo babona, dibitu anda babona boima, marabona ba ita ustozote. So obviously ba chimula bosu kisa nuba because tiboni wana woche kana wana the crunches or anything. So she's just there sitting there wako umbeda chete every day. And it's almost you want to go. Why because you don't
True, that's the thing. And then have you ever had a bad experience with these people? Kind of.
Not really. There was a point by Mall of Africa where I got a old woman, banangwana mutu kumarena ngabana 8, 9, a little girl, and then she was like, "No, we don't have bread. Reindeer kutsia ngwana reindeer Christmas is not coming, so we are hungry." That no, I don't have cash, man. Kwa became pay. And then the way I'm like, this is weird. Homolo busy at December di muhuru. Although we sani wana somebody this is what they do every day.
Yeah,
like
so
and then something like I just had a very bad feeling about it. I was like, hey, ene. I had to go pick out the macro. No, but honestly, I just felt like that was God protecting me because from the stories I'm hearing now, from all over Africa. Like you can just talk to someone.
Here's the thing. Here's an experience I've had with one. Yeah, so if this other guy, I think we met him last year, June, if not December. I just need some cash. Family anga the ben. I mean, I need to go follow them and all that. So no young actually their bus. I mean, I don't have cash. But then you can always try. If you go bigger, but when I wanna till today, you can go at the ben. Over 365 days ukadinya kwa debe no mtu nazo natangana na lingo duba ngangi visit achiko danda uzamkona ndetela zore ndichibona mtu ndiame ngachivenda chabucha deep na mkona then I call the number okay debe na no feel me number there I will take in ko then I'm there are you saying me I know you're talking about me like number of diva zore ndizini I story
Habana bango bono shumisa chimwe chamzibo fara the CV so bakusikora no like I just want money to go home download then go to submit the CV guy whatever that's his everyday story chizore CV ubo ifara uskera ndi story cha every day athi go change na jamba ro fara CV nti
tizo wachinja jamba ro
yeah
company that different
but honestly like that's the thing sometimes in yabani kwenye govana humanity mara na umburo niya jena mashikani just because you're trying to help.
I feel like don't know color point in.
She thinks to pay to the lift. It's a very tricky thing. It's a very tricky thing.
Hey, that thing is bad, man.
Yeah, and then I offer like that's a no-go area for me. Mara, okay, what if now and then
no, at least about pegged in a mean
no, let's say for example Niko ndimtonzo tsina niko mbona uyimisa lift na muna meds and then ngamadeko na naso kuvuka justice for nyinyi but baribada ba rokumbona ko jina green ya tanga.
Okay, justice for mbona
justice for
I don't want any justice for ofe nero zero ugo pisa ngorodzwa murunzi inini ko bar then daga fa justice for
kana last scene with brown eyes. Last scene with brown eyes and a black shirt. So also I guess when I was too young, you can't really avoid the cancel. Sorry, what a baby.
No,
I go deeper.
What this time at all? Out there, much. I don't know for a yo, so
I was still saying, una issues avoid it. You just have to pray about it every day when you wake up. Just pray and you bed like you're around because you can't avoid it. Not just the good lift. I feel
how often do you pray?
Next thing, how often do I pray? I pray twice a day. On a normal day, like on a every day.
Sometimes I don't even pray.
Really? Nothing as far as our father. I don't know gone, but yeah, prayer is just I don't know. I just can't. I
should normalize prayer.
But for me, it's a don't know the word. So it's weird. Or even if a good thing happens during the day, the other was it might have like I could have just done it now, but I am so used to like having time. But
then sometimes I have that guilty. When last you speak to God, that's what then when go there, kneel down.
Have you ever had a situation where God spoke to you? Every day. Yeah. Mara.
Akakwata kisingili. Akakwata.
Okay, have you ever had a situation where God spoke to you? Like
I don't know, like till today, because I don't know what no.
What do you feel?
And that the balance among them. And yeah, man, that's what Z. Now if I was having to go push you.
No, I
don't think that's the case. Because also I always have those questions. Can't them know? You feel Zimbabwe man, wamba no, auto if voice and all that. Like maybe sometimes you get dreams. You don't know.
How do you know it's him though?
That's the thing. I wouldn't say I know also. That's why I'm opinion. Yes, no man situation in Zimbabwe because I still don't know. I would ask a pastor.
Mara, worship where they're singing like where there's a really good worship song or whatever. And then there's this atmosphere that you just feel.
I want to come to that. Or if you go
goosebumps, you're like
now you combine this or the other Vantu.
Okay. Like atmosphere you change.
If we go feel in different ways, this could be his way of talking to me. You should listen to Take Show Ngube Zama. That guy is a worship addict. That guy is good. Wimba to gospel. I think he's based here now. Wimba Cairo. Wataki, Marneno Vitaki. Yeah. So yeah, that guy is very good. So actually that Shimba, I feel something or no man. This guy is actually gifted. And I get it why it's called a worship addict.
1small6 does that to me.
Who's that?
Listen to 1small6. You know it.
Don't ask.
You know it, Mpo. You know 1small6. Oh my god, guys.
Nandos go mura 6'9" Tonyanga. Namdiwa. Chila cha snitch.
1small6. Do you know the song you know if you hear on our knees? Here on our knees, we will. If you listen to that song, the first version of goosebumps. Every single time you listen to it, it kicks.
Listen to.
No, what type of gospel are you guys listening to?
Yeah, take show. Yeah, what about
na joya sibezi. Don't stress abe. Ubazino ndikoni playlist ya gospel.
Ne playlist yanga ndikoroni paro. Tekeresa ni kai chobu. Take show zama. The thing is like 43 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to listen to it.
Very good, eh? We talk Jimona Hizima, there's lyrics, like all
that.
We
love God.
Dude, these guys,
the anointing what?
From the inside.
I get it a lot sometimes, those don't about to, and I say something, and they're like, what? Like, you just said that. I'm like, honey, I am spiritual like that. I love God so much.
Did I say something wrong? Treasure. Treasure. No, Paul will be pastor.
No, I want to be a pastor.
Do you think I would be a good pastor? Nishton said that.
It wouldn't be bad. You just have to change your ways.
Which ways?
Nah, let's not get No. Let's not get there. You don't want me to get there, so why are you bringing it up?
I'm just asking.
Should I say it?
People do everything out there. Inananga is also true.
Guys.
Who's at the film? Oh, actually, Rukamanga Funzi. Nanda CWC, so on Sunday.
I need to go there. Go in.
India every Sunday.
Aninjia Sunday. No, Mara Musiranga njia.
Actually, because Upiranga too.
Mara nuyo rodada. Basingo kwa ndo mara ndo dia diva.
Ini ndo shikapa nani? Kana babishopa bari. Asongo cha doba of like kana vanity. And that was so rap. Mara actually enjoyed like that's.
Did it feel like home? Did it feel like
it
home?
Did.
How's the worship team?
They're not that good because maybe what they told me when I mean
the
compare international also remember that so angi obviously di ma guru
ani ko worship team ya isida rusi mrao ila ya msiru kwali tu but ukisha duranga zila two pieces of green mara hauna green na pink and I'm like how did they come up with this?
Acha mbona magaweni
ujo
that was Zimbabwe
storm is over now. Hey, I'm going to go to the America man.
That's the is how come bro. Well, from via Tyler Perry. Zezila. It's rare in Nepal. Guys, we've been living in America. Now that's no. What more do you want? Yeah, so then we're more into young SWCT. I was actually taking pictures. And I could just remember a blend room. I had a camera.
So you're going to photographer, but you're booking.
No, I'm not taking bookings. Okay. The exclusive to the Kereke.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah.
No, for a phone.
Camera.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so after that, Ryan to Mission House. Then I was actually thinking...
Wait, Mission House in the Mudau Funzi? That's what it means?
Yeah. That's how the...
Growing up, I used to think...
Not here, block of Mission.
Out of a machine. Just like White House.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun White House also, kind of.
I've been a Barry for like 25 years.
Nah, so the one is not 0 years. Maybe for 20 years, you've been a Barry.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
So at least don't Barry. Yeah. So by that, because my son Mufunzi Ubahani, Ayani and all that. Hey, I was because no, not to upega. Like
they're fun.
They're fun, bro.
They're very fun to hang around.
Like I do want Richard but then Vatu. And then I'm like, hey, when we go to after church. It's fine, we get there. It was no creative.
After like that, a bride.
What do you after? What more? At the joke on me. And I was like, guys, now I don't want to leave. And I was like, I'm really enjoying this space. And funny enough, everyone's like, what Black Couch, what you mean? Like, it got to my show and this ring along with I'm like, no, please don't do that.
Especially in North Asian.
Exactly. Black Couch, we're like, God, what do you mean now? So I'm like, hey, guys. Then I woke up the wife. I was blind. ndiyayidiva ndiyayidiva andikuramba ngorivo vobudziwa vaivo ndidozviamba chimwana chinga sa content. So I was like, you know what, yes, content, guys.
But I feel like that's how pastors are. People think pastors are like these boring people.
I even told my mom that if and go upper room, I don't even know how to act.
Jiggy people are so fun.
Did you go say as much or regulars what you paying on Anchendi reserved? But don't diva.
Always fun, man.
But don't diva. In 3 weeks time, I don't diva for
it. They're so fun.
Yeah, true. So yeah, guys, the one my phones and then got the phones, you know. I'm just saying, trying to keep people close. And then Galaxy Boy a dropper. It's funny how Rambang got it done. They always drop.
It's Girl X Boy.
Girl X.
Girl X. It's girl now boy. As a Galaxy, I don't know why.
Really?
There's no why. As a Galaxy.
Isn't that Galaxy Boy?
Girl X Boy. Galaxy.
Wait.
It's like a collab.
It's a collab. It's all the way from my unisex. Uri like boy.
Girl X Boy.
Boy, yeah. Muntu kanana muzana. Galaxy. And I'm Galaxy.
So cool, my mom.
You anxiety.
No, you're daddy. Galaxy Boy.
Ngodoba.
No, so you're daddy in South Africa. How long has it been existing?
I don't know.
After COVID. So in the 4 years in the Bari.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, in the first body.
Yeah, 4 years.
Because you never gave yourself a chance to read.
Yeah, because I always think it's Galaxy. So it's Galaxy Boy. Damn. Yeah, so what drop on this new buckethead as blind.
Should go sell out, not interested.
Funny enough, that
but that's what everyone is doing, so
Galaxy is everyone. Try to
no, as Yamburi Yabo iko vaninge. Apparently when you let's say China, know your stalker.
Yeah, I was about to
not the grade. That is why Galaxy Boy is the one bucket at Yorala. You Giaka Gucci Canelia and Elia. Kaguchi, that huge sandal to Mizojila. Ione Nakaguchi Mara definitely quality as fan because of the grades. So Arabala Buchi Ranga 7 Randa, Abala Buchi Renganga 1.2 Bakonochita 17,000. Rola Chirangonga 7 Randa, Achita 1.2.
Maybe 17 or 34.
17 mini? Uribochi Ranga 17,000?
17 Randa. Oyanga siya chirenga grading when tebelanga 1.2.
As or if back a bidza bazofela.
I get it. Mara is the thing.
Yes, zvine nazi Timbaland zavasi kugonya kugonya. Nisanjika grade ila imwe yakale ti muri one ubo usichena na matari. Just branches. It's just branches. But I'm saying uri zviba zvikovanga the grade. I'm telling you.
I feel like man, I'm one of those days regretting me. Like
I remember for but one renga quality.
Hey, in terms of quality, like so who knows uri na vala because when I would see one what I knew before Girl X Boy wa so that shit ndori because those one get uzi ti
ai
yanda jena uzi ti ndiko bona chimwe chenda so chafondo nya chenda cha formal ndo check okay it's nice ndi check kama jango made in China ti then like in my mind mwana la ntu idea yori za uzi zonga sitwa China na mean and then only to find out to product in one most of them zitwa China zinga zitwa Vietnam and all that mara most of them zitwa ningi it's just you having to go there na there was one go Brenda so na so chwana quality aba ikufana ya mtu ane ukorenga jet na ntuni fina guy na ndipe chopolo dor net de masho
mara jet na Zara zingasfana even a normal shirt quality ngasfana
we don't know
dude namsi no fana
maybe Zara na the fix ngozo
no still zvirani it will never be the same na crop top ndinadzo za the fix ndinadzo za Zara hezila ndizobva ndinadzo crop top ai
did you
know What is him combo ndani ya isna sulu nzoni crop top ibe crop. Nditoboni mudemba na mbokati luguma.
Oh, I waste.
Yes. So, here's what I'm saying. Quality yoneni the no chikipa chabo factory na bo guy. Niya nalmula inona hapo wora faware niya to chifa no chifara. You'll never get that from Mr. Price. I'm not saying what Mr. Price siyabu. No, but it was zona kana minimum. You just need to know na ini boras mapungo zikuchukuba every day. Because you know what you bought, you know how much you paid. So ningas go via every day ngokuba.
Asione cha mchini.
Cha zanda chiko dotona so.
Nikubene futso ko.
Anapo aba bagwakwa.
Sabukuma. Na ramadichiro bene.
You get what I'm saying? And if I told you ambrozona, nande ndia mix ndarenga guy. Mara ndia zone munde ndina chere and I want quality stuff ndiko guy. But obviously I'm not going to have money to buy every item from Zara. Not yet.
And then they are sent 10 in. Okay, day before birthday I'm gone. No one shop Lazar. Naka man.
Yes. You can tell. Kupakele ngiyakubona.
Dude, yo, no one nganda. I'm like, yo.
Niba niko renga na jezo, but honestly, quality ti atiko hana urunga uko fibo uzibona ngashini. I don't think maybe Galaxy Boy ngabe yojeja kashini exactly. But the same bucket hats zioni na foshini nga hela brand nini wadza.
No, it is no.
Luella. Exactly. Luella has the same stuff. Luella has the same stuff na Galaxy Boy na Gucci. Christian Dior as well.
Kona chat what's brand.
Red
flag. Wedemeza vitu. Nyawa mzara wa masisi. Za hukuma. Za hukuma, mzara wa masisi. Nayo ni mzana mimi.
Ndio so inelewa mzana unofuna.
Unofuna.
Mfaisho sejo kurono peda. Ndire mzana unofuna designer ndi red flag.
Nah.
Thank you.
Why would red flag?
Camping and get on a moment we had a conversation other than a girlfriend out. So we're talking about it. No, I'll never get my woman this type of stuff. They're just expensive for nothing. Wara. I don't want a woman that loves designer. I just got down on a girlfriend. No. Yeah, baby, no. I'm just like, can we stop acting like we don't love money just to impress men? Everybody wants a Louis bag, bro. And you don't like that little Louis Vuitton bag. So you'd rather have, you just don't like
funny maybe the certain man
I'm talking about. Exactly. No riarunga palandi arfunu so it's so pretty. Mara nisongo ditongare anifunish to zabudi just because negotiable but never dorni afunesa.
This was some Disney afuna tumrengera.
No, I like not tika something that I wanted.
No, I read choose you. Tika choose the chedi never na yoji. Do you like designer?
What I wanted I got now.
Come on.
No, ukutamba zvina
wish list
here's the thing. Era ndinoze something mawap. Maybe she thinks uri zvina thought that zvitova zvikwera na budget yawe kana yamutuwa atumbura beyond that.
Exactly. Ndizvinenda kwamba uri karivise budget yawe yabi uni babiri. If you are independent and you have the money, wouldn't you buy it?
Unya G class mamona.
Exactly. Now we are not the G class iko tiyo chimbra na pesa yaho. Ninga so you no be.
Pesa ndo no renga.
Ngasi yo no renga.
Pesa G class.
Okay, na kura ngasi yambi no renga beg at beg kamera. It's okay.
Ndirimi. Ndirimi. Cargo do casa passa. Go promote that brand.
Oh, I go promote. Chera manga Galaxy.
Guys, go subscribe bisi wafo. Urengwe G63 ya Black Couch. Darchiwa jabo wapana po. Yeah, so those work at the designer. The same guy was like, I've been G-Wagon, you don't have venture. And people, just because it's fancy. I don't know how many people have told me that.
Hi, Marionaka. Marionaka put a venture.
It's okay
if you want
a venture.
Bro, I was just like, this mentality, I don't know. And when I was Jadin Thor, the more you're like, I don't like this because what was for expensive. You are literally putting yourself because now you are pushing why?
Yeah.
Like you deserve the basic stuff. That's not a good mentality.
Hey.
The minute I have the money, I'm buying it.
And I wanna 100K.
I even tall girls. I've seen Nunu Rai. I've seen Nunu Rai. You
can be thick, man.
I've seen Nunu Rai. I could drive that Jeep.
Yeah, it makes sense. I'm
like, God, where?
I'm going off on a baby.
Cute.
Yeah, so now I know.
Fendi as well.
Okay.
Lianga. No, sianga. How?
Oh, ndianga wa. Ndiko sianga.
Inini ambora above the.
Ndiko shoot at the phone.
Hey, why did you know
Wambi. Ndiko shoot. Call langi. What did they say? Drop. Yeah, so phone ngekuida nepa. I'm like, why offer is a panda safari phone yawe?
Like, bro, that guy vibrate.
If only you have vibrate, huh? Okay, let's do some morality tests. I saw this thing on TikTok.
5 minutes. Mutakaze ango tu guys. Yay.
Wait, 5 minutes. You're coming kawa ragana.
Yeah, 1 hour 2 minutes.
Okay, so Yeah, because ukatwa party ngwinya.
Oh, una ila party.
Yeah, so morality test, see? You go on a hike trail with a partner and a sibling, see? What's that mean?
Yeah.
So, partner, and while you're there, he confesses or he slept with a sibling.
Ndina sibling a little yomuzana. Yeah. I'm gonna cheaters what can.
Okay, it's fine. So, Nijusgange, partner, and apologize or you know what? Now I was actually drunk and it will never happen again. See? And then, hey, you're up, man. Then sibling yan is apologize and then atakwa. Ajukonya go after partner or confess. Ajuko takwa asuba. Remember you guys are on a mountain hike. Asuba awachikowa on a cliff. Ajukowa agaba partner yanu aifarela awanayo. Askaba devias talk na zezo. Baba sara severely to a point in they need like an emergency response. We call ER and then wachiruka wayas badere. When you get there, the doctor asks you, actually he tells you, your sibling is blood transfusion. You mean transfusion? Actually, and then your partner needs a kidney transplant. So, partner kunyaga kidney transplant, sibling kunyaga marrow. So, in now you have to choose what you do because it's either. Because if you give your sibling blood, then ni lose amanda. Ni weekend ndira yo paola ni kidney. So ancha dokono paola kidney. If napa kidney, Holland, jambore anchana, anchana maro, aswa anchana maro pa enough, anena do paola. So what would you do?
Simple. Go visa maropa. Why do you go to your fellow kidney is huge, man.
But then you can
and also anga deep why would you wangan?
No, you are the only person you go to their gene. Like I wanna do option.
Nikupa maropa cafe then.
Woro, abeki ninga.
Uko wa partner. Yeah, ndapanga no maropa. Ningwa no shabirga search fixa ndamali wa rahangwa. But ndinga save ula ngwa no sharoba. Still it just work out adoba jola na mo mutu food. So I'm saving my little sister, bro.
The morality test is something else.
We're not fighting over a man, child. Not over a man.
At least you will save one of them.
I am saving my little sister. I about it. Okay, sharp.
Oh, okay.
Very sharp.
Hey, I see your sharp over with.
Nerquede. No, but Mara little sister as Muriche.
And then I'm Brian.
Aye. Okay, no, Ajibu yet boxer, but for now.
Come to a pure. All of it. Like, when you cheese and then you wear Nani Rosca and chief. Like, why no man and say, but then what was the reason?
But Maradona is just a man.
Yeah, so I saw this one on TikTok. I was like, let me add Mbidi. So your car loses control and you could drive. Then there's a little toddler. Namkeguru. Why are you hitting? Why? Why do you talk though? I was giving a kana invent I invent a coronavirus. Okay. So and then the third one. Namkeguru. Hey, I don't know what doing one. Yeah, Marana, I feel like you grew no cheetah for some reason. Because Naka to try one of what if I'm a cheer now.
No, go on one.
Exactly. So, yeah, what I remember. Do you confess cheating if you knew they would leave you immediately? Or not confess, but then they find out 10 years later? I know you're right, man.
Not confess, and then they find out 10 years later, and I still deny.
Pika. Deny. Deny. I don't know, Actually, I would...
Okay, why not the board? What if I find out? So the board...
No, it's set up.
The board and then you do for
this thing is certain or those find out 10 years later.
Because, 10 years later, I need each other still.
No, yeah, so now I'm gonna confess now. ndawana mumwe once because now
ngadovana mujolelo la mu
and then cycle continues.
Ari Yankee game.
Simple as that. And then closing. No, faza makazina alishia wako continue futhi. Ono jana the drug as in.
Mini drug.
Hofu mimi ifaza the story. Or no,
too much. Mungobuza ko drugs.
Wait a minute.
Nigeria.
Ufuna urenga hondo.
Akona man Nigeria.
Iko rela track. Wanga mtsazo ufenza chiredi namusendera bakazo. Kamera renga United back. Video. Okay, man Nigeria. Funny up. Yes, ufika ita mini phala bethu.
Abale bethu wa una ndabona comment yamankadzi nne ichikho yakha Alicia and then she was yayolapha akwambori something about face app lingona lingwe ne at least chiredi yanga nditoibvera biko ati rengisedze drugs. But what do you think it's true?
Given or nene asirengise cream yantangana mazarati.
Hey, she risky man allegedly but
open door guys, open door ene mune wapfa.
Ndori allegedly.
Andiko rambo no mudhi mpindure ndizongopedza. And then
zvone zvakanganyisa ngori hey Maserati is a big car.
Guys, she's not selling drugs. Auna the facts. So it's just alleged.
Ndizvoravara zvomwariwo ngamakadzi.
And the ila post yamakadzi akanyodibulaya suicidal post.
Hambo difinduri oyova yohikiwa. No, idodzira yohikiwa na.
Yeko achita
zvibipedzi. No, I think she was probably not okay for real.
Hey, makadzi no.
A lot of people are not okay. So as zvisva when makadzi is not okay, a lot of people are really struggling mentally. So it's very possible.
How do you struggle mentally na cherede? Like guys,
it doesn't work like that, my boy. If I rain in the moods.
Man ndinozwana kwamba chimotori mental problems dzizotowana vana cherede.
Ne ndikwambori taidzo dzine ndava nadzo dzikotoda cherede zvazvino.
Nyimbo
nedzanga adzi mental like ndiva ndikotoda atina taidza dzila dzine atina taidza dzila dzine dzava dzikongitwa ndi bioride ndava ndiko bioride is because I need to pay bills and I don't have the money atina hedzila dza muumbulo zori ndive ndikopfa ungari I don't know what's going on. I know what my problems are and I know how much they need. That's it. Yo, ndinarohangweni
ina ndikopati
ngochimbilirwa Cape Town. Why not do Chimbrelwa Cape Town?
No one episode every day.
Why not do Chimbrelwa Cape Town?
Guys, anyways, Fair Play Entertainment Center has won. Usika 31. That was the call. Now I'm doing a was not the artist. You guys just go there and do an pathway say
experience the excitement.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a nice one. My dear, go to then. Mudau go deep. I'm gonna be honest now. Mudau go deep.
This is good water.
Murabandi funga deep. And then that's under in. Yeah, we're intimate man. No need friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know honest.
That's when I post and that's when I all deliver and good when I post.
And I isn't as good as what is known. That as him didn't want. As a Black Couch. Are to sponsor us yet, guys? Isn't this wrong? So what else? Acoustic and poetry song hangwa. And so yeah, guys, let's meet next week. Oh, same time, same place. Shirarumpo. So, what else? Hey, ho! Sip and paint.
Vangana. Serious. Okay, guys. So we finalized Sip and Paint.
Sorry. Zampanda. I feel like it's cold. Now I'm Ponali JC.
Guys, not go to your professional. Sharp. So Ndiko Sip and Paint ticket is the latest Saturday or Sunday, but then the poster is gonna come out tomorrow. Dar es Salaam was 24, so it's Christmas Eve. So Christmas Eve. Mara also tickets are gonna be very limited because now I think the visa 30. There is a 40, so we don't want a lot of people. They're going to be 350 where you get a complimentary drink and then you leave with your painting, your canvas.
350 so, the price, guys.
The price 350 rands. So Dar es Salaam ngazi 24. So niba buzera ba kunyoni ruma zvezo boila zibetro tidza machero unizitenga Saturday because Sunday you are off. So it might be after church or whatever because we're planning on doing it from 1 for 2 for, and also guys with painting retoma kati and then we end together. So chipinga chova chopera nisa tupedza openda ati tivi ndiri tisani
ndopenda yani
ndoitanga crayoni
area kora for bro yaga
sorry. But anyways guys, the 24 which is Sunday Dar es Salaam, and then yeah details zinji vadodzivana kapost ticket in 350 and it's got the limited atina the visa dzimwe because I don't want a situation where we can't control people. Yeah, because abiri vari koni attend vanga kunyo usori or remix a color if you're not your data and we can't attend
secondary colors.
You know the color wheel, arts and culture. Yes.
Right.
So we need to help you guys with that. So yeah, little visa poster. Did they send any so you can post it?
Yeah, please need a and then also just to put him on the spot also guys, Mpo is gonna drop a video ya dangerous ngamanda ko tarucheza how we do all these things behind the machines and should be a sport as well.
Yeah. Kachi the shime pachiri yes. Kachi
me what
mpo
the cat.
Kachi the cat.
Achi mengora 3-2 anchi cat.
Achi mechite 3-2.
Ngomu volleyball ndanga
3-2.
Mpo niko rita no remind chita cat ni mudhuru hapo ndanga hapa.
Yeah.